everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to sell cryptocurrency on Luno. Now, selling cryptocurrency on Luno is typically as straightforward as buying it. Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, access your Luno account through the mobile app or website. Then you need to go to your wallet or wallets section. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Look for a sell or trade or similar option. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, either in the cryptocurrency itself or in your local currency. Now, carefully review the other details, including the price, fees, and the total amount you receive. If everything is correct, confirm the sale. The proceeds of the sale will be added to your local currency wallet, and you can view the transaction in your transaction history. Now, this is optional. If you want to withdraw the funds to your bank account, navigate to the withdraw section and follow the instructions. Now, here's an important thing to note. Luno may have different buy or sell interfaces depending on the region. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.